Okay, we have a 2018 Transit Connect. We give them the Excalibur along with the new Linkr LT1. I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to hit lock. Locks the doors. Okay. It tells you all doors are locked. To unlock it, you're going to hit unlock. It's pretty quick too. It's almost as fast as doing it from the remote control. It's very impressive. I give him the remote start also. Okay, truck will start right up. Okay, and it will give you a run countdown. I programmed it for 20 minutes, so if he decides that he's not going anywhere, but he got tied up and he didn't realize the truck has been running, that way the truck, it'll give him the countdown all the way down to the last second. That way he knows how long the truck's still going to be running for. To turn it off, if he decides not to go anywhere, he can hit stop, and that will shut off the system. It tells you the signal of the device, which is full tower. By the way, this AT&T network, this particular system works on the AT&T platform. It's got 13.2 voltage in its battery. It's fully customized. It has all the vehicles. You put on the make and model, the year, and the trim, and then choose your color, and then you can have your car right on the dash, which is really, really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. It comes with the remote controls. You can always arm it, disarm it. Everything we told you, hit one button and remote starts. Any door that they open, it fires off the alarm. I'm gonna fire it off. It gives you a bunch of push notifications letting you know that the alarm fired off. It comes with 2 remote controls. It's got lifetime warranty. It's got starter kill, so they won't be able to start the vehicle and take off with it. It's got a pit stop, so let's say the truck is on and you decide not to go anywhere, you decide you need to get off the truck and you want to leave it running to grab something, you can press this button twice over here. Okay, and then you're able to take out the key and the truck stays running, the van stays running. If anybody jumps in while you're gone, say you went inside and got a drink or whatnot, somebody jumps in and pushes the foot on the brake, that shuts it off. When you remote start it, you turn the key forward. You don't need to start the vehicle because the truck is already running, the van. Just turn the key forward. It has GPS. I'm not going to show where the dot is for security reasons, but it also comes with GPS so you can track the vehicle. By the way, this is a company that they do pools underground that the platform opens up, and then you'll be able to see the platform goes down and the pool goes underground, and then when you press a button, the pool goes back up. So you can keep a backyard, kids can play, and you can have your pool underground. This is this guy's phone number here. He does it all over the United States. He's probably one of the best that does this. This alarm was installed here by Auto Alarm Specialist.